to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mwikali aka Lelo. Guys, if it's your first time to watch me, karibu sana. So guys, we are moving houses. Too much has happened recently. Like, I just feel like new things, new everything. Yeah, so I want to show you the empty house tour that I've finally chosen. I went to many places, but I wasn't able to showcase those places. Yeah, but I'm showing the house that I've decided I'm taking. So this is an empty house tour, guys. I'm actually there. It's actually awesome. There's too much echo and the lighting is much. So I'm actually trying to look for an angle that will get a perfect lighting. Yeah, so let me just show you the house, how it looks like in a few. So guys, that is the main door when you enter. Yeah, you can see it's like a hallway. Wow, I like this corridor over here. Let's first close the door behind me. Yeah, so guys, like when you enter, you see like a hallway, like just direct. And on my left, the first thing is, let me open it, it's locked. So this is the laundry area, guys. Yeah, Nikona laundry area for once. Yeah, it has a large window. Yeah, but then there is nothing because I think it's because it's a laundry area. Yeah, the sink. This is big enough to fit what is it called? A washing machine. I really like it. Oh, nice. Yeah, then from the laundry area, let me see. I don't have bulbs yet. Yeah, from the laundry area we go to the kitchen area, guys. Yeah, so this is the kitchen from outside. This is how it looks like. Yeah, oh, there's a window there, and at least I can have my curtains here. You can see, I can see the laundry area from outside, like not from outside, like from my kitchen I can see the laundry area. Yeah, and I love this kitchen, guys. It's a double sink. Not double sink, the double taps. Oh, wow, this is nice. This is awesome. This one needs to be fixed. I think I'll tell them about this one. Yeah, and down here I have storage space. Oh, nice. That's just an empty space, I think, till the end. Yeah. I don't know, I don't like this thing in the kitchen, but it's okay. I can put my gas cooker over here. And guys, I like actually the countertops. They look nice. Wow, these ones are nice. They look awesome. So maybe my pantry area, or where I'll put my utensils. It has enough storage, guys, like pretty enough storage. Yeah, it's pretty enough, and I still have more storage over here. And guys, if I show you something, let's first finish up with the kitchen. And guess what, guys? It's an open kitchen. Oh my god, this is a countertop. I can have some two-bar stools around this place. I'll just show when I move in. I can have my fridge on this area. Yeah, I can't wait, manze, to work on this house. Oh, I like it. And guys, the living room is large. So let's go to the living room. Actually, this corridor, guys, is really long. I need to think of what I can do with it. Like, I have to utilize it. So guys, this is the living room, and guys, it's pretty large. Like, it will fit everything. The thing I like about the house, guys, it's the open kitchen. Just look at that. Oh my god, and the lighting is nice. Wow. I even think the intro didn't do that perfect lighting. Oh, this is so awesome. You can see now, like, the kitchen area from this side. I like it. I like this house because of the kitchen. I won't lie, guys. Yeah, and this is the living room, guys. Now let's come to this. Oh my god, I love this window. And the balcony, guys, it's gold. So let me show you. Look at my view. I want to try zoom something. I think you can see like a mountain over there. You can see it. Oh my god, this view is just damn amazing, guys. So amazing. And guys, my corridor is large. Wow. No balcony at corridor. The balcony is large, guys. Okay, I'll need to work on this balcony. But I love love everything about it. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. And guys, by the way, the tiles aren't bad, they're nice. I really like them also. So that is the whole view for the living room and the kitchen. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to do something on that balcony. Wow. Sawato. So guys, from there, let me show you now the other rooms. So from this kitchen area, we have this large window, yeah, and like a small corridor. So on my left, it's the guest bedroom. On my right, it's the main bedroom, my bedroom. So anyway, guys, so let's just we go to the common washroom. This is the common washroom. I actually like it. Wow, there's the bath, like the showering area and the toilet area. It's very okay for me and perfect. There's a sink inside here. Oh, it comes with these two holders. Yeah, it has this to put the towels. Oh, this is nice. And a bulb over there. I hope the shower is working. And we have this. It doesn't look bad. Let's close. We see. Look inside. Oh, I actually love also this window. Oh, it looks awesome. Yeah, so that's how it looks like basically. So from there, let's just go to the guest bedroom. Walk really too fast. It's not too small, it's not too big. It has corners, by the way. Guys, those are the corners. You can see them. Oh, okay. This is the wardrobe, guys. This is how it looks like. The finishing there down doesn't look great. Doesn't look great. And there's this side, just left like that. I think this is enough. This is enough. And guys, I just noticed something funny. Like the switch for the bathroom light and the heater, they're inside the bedroom, just like they're inside the guest bedroom, like inside. You see? I think they've done that to all houses because of kids. Yeah, then this house is paid via tokens. Yeah, so now let's head to the main bedroom. Yeah, you know, the master bedroom. Guys, my room is master and suite. Oh my god, that was a loud bang. Sorry guys. They actually look the same as the guest bathroom. Yeah, it's actually pretty the same. Yeah, the bulb there, everything the same. It doesn't look bad. I like it. And I like the space over here. I can actually use this space to have a shoe rack. It seems I'll get a shoe rack soon. I like the lighting in this room, guys. Oh, yeah, and the window is awesome, by the way. It looks nice. That's the wardrobe. This is quite small from the house that I used to live in, but it's okay. It's manageable. It is manageable. Let me see. It's okay. This is quite okay. This is okay with me, actually. Yeah, so guys, that's my wardrobe. Yeah, and the empty room. I can't wait now to bring my things over to this house. Should we do a moving video stroke arranging it? Really, is it necessary? I'm not really pretty sure about that. Maybe I'll just show you when I have like everything in place, how the house will look like. But guys, I'm in love with this house. Like, wow, I'm in love. Why lie? I'm in love with this house. I'm in love with it. This is awesome. Guys, that is the house. You've seen it. There is too much echo. Wow. So akinachukia kuhama, we kuhama ni stress. But you've seen this finger akilikatika. Well, yeah, it's painful. Yeah, anyway guys, I hate moving out, but I like new places, new things, and I don't know. I don't know if I'll shoot when we're moving out, that experience, but I think I'll show you once we arrange how the house turns out. Yeah, but I'm in love with this house. I can't wait to do videos here. By the way, we should do no more of cooking in this kitchen because I really like it. Hey, we should do cooking videos. When I'm learning those new recipes, why don't I learn them with you? Why don't we review them with you? Anyway guys, if you've liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Till the next one, bye bye.